Hi, good evening. I am standing here on behalf of the Arts and Crafts. We're actually at Umuabi in Olido Enugu Ezike in Enugu State. There is actually something happening in Olido today, and we are here to find out what actually happened and how it is going. So, sir, please can you introduce yourself to my viewers?
Okay, I am Robinson Idoko. Yeah, Oparaba Yogi Idoko Mama. Yaba Yogi Dokano IGBO-EZE Mwashwanya. Yabeham.
Okay. There was a.
Thank
There was a. Sir, please, my marriage.
I am Bolivar Sunday Idoko.
Okay.
I'm the second son of Ayogi Idoko.
Okay.
I went known as Egamaka.
So, ezinụlọ anyị nọ today bụ ezinụlọ Ayogi Idoko. Okay. So, because looking at the background, anyị na-afụ akpachi. What is actually happening? Gịnị bụ ihe na-eme and what is the situation presently?
Okay. Ihe mere here bụ na nwunye nna anyị ya bụ nna anyị lere njọ metọ ma akpachi na aba akpachi ụzọ egotere ajeje ele nwunye nna anyị. Nwunye nna anyị nwere on Thursday last week. So last week ọ nwere be nwa ọkpara ha bụ onye ma kpọrọ m na phone. Na nne ya nwere nsi oke na nsogbu adịghị. Ihe anyị ji mebi na anyị ji anyị ma kpọọ ụmụnne m chijiko m ọzọ na anyị ji nye ka ma anyị kwamanye ya nne nọ na anyị bọbụ. So middle be m kpọrọ ndụ ụmụnachi anyị lele ya bụ anyị ji latara m onye a bụ Saturday.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, because from your introduction, this family gbasara.
Yes.
Gede ihe para gị kwuru. Gịnị bụ ihe nwere ịkọkwa more on this?
I'm nothing because no, yeah, but nine. I na fanya for now. And Okawacha marry he koshi ja ad. So now yeah, buying ladies no Umuabi now, including he's also my brother.
But so,
yes, that is the reason why I'm Jalatan, because I had the news that was 3 days ago. But the morning I'm Jalata at the Nsukka. So no show Balarton issue to Tunya. I'm vacation and witness really in a guy.
So, good with the situation. Good with the situation presently.
Well, the situation, the past and the present. But never before I am later. Ne an agree in Benny. And in the man and Benny be chase ogwa. Yeah, but Agbama fence Benny. I am but a motor apaka bomb, not the going bomb. As all parabem say, okay. Yaje really be ne Allen K. So that the Boshine came Benny more than easy. More blame we have me ne Benny and snow and belly ne mobile with the Nsukka. The investment was okay. Or make it all and as been or nifum ben merely be do the nap more you do. Members go news atur guy chog men sober dara. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
So ilina eguru now. Ilina eguru now. Bo ile eguru ayeli unye no.
Yes.
But as it stands now, not them are effective again.
All them are effective now. The whole parties, the families are equate me. No, I imagine as any queen. Je gume ili. So I come equi now. So ndo kolabenada.
Okay.
My head be do good in bomb. Maybe renjara chino ne. My equity.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. So again, being very equal.
The moment I arrived in Lagos, Bido and I found some false news from so many platforms. Basically, the woman, Jere, Nimal, Jelly, Bemo, Vureya, tie somewhere and all that. Such thing didn't happen. Okay. So it's just that the people not like spread false information, you know. So no, we agreed together. No, that place, BDK, but as Enyekuye. So now we're any other thing. Those people now push those false narrative. They are just on their own, trying to blackmail some people. Yes. Now, as I said, we're intimidating them because of money and all that. This is where the woman has been living. And I believe that everybody who knows this place, how long we have been properly taking good care of the house to make sure that she doesn't live like somebody who doesn't have anybody. So, especially in the Jehamako, my main decision to take on my own in this particular family.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, sir, as it stands now, both parties, both and the woman, everybody involved now, the family now, are equity now, so bonu chooser.
Yes, I ain't equity me. So I equity me. No, as a so now I'm a bidder.
Okay.
So everything is settled. Not like that. I am trying to walk the whole Enugu Ezike as a whole, but family I have a family by the soup. My aunts take in the leak. So I ain't to take a man when buying Jaju, Nelly cook. My brother, and I deny what they call me, my deny Koga. From the first door, Porama, Nehe I've been out there. Can we get Meme, Mehele Droy, Mono Nine Bob. So I'm our mind, nine dying is cottonly. I will an Uchibana, I ain't so I ain't liberty.
And that unity card.
And that unity card. And when Christmas, they go to him, Benny. Mwange Blatant also. You understand? Every time. And that is it. So when you get now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. So my I got name my Fucharagi Helejaga and I believe no dog at the man.
So bad dog.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Abum Idoko Emmanuel Chiji Ndo.
Okay. Onye
Abi.
Okay.
Buru nwayo Idoko.
Okay. So gonna be here. Gede Gisha Fuga be here. Gonna be mere result today and Gede Isha Fuga be here.
Ihe mere bụ na nwunye my father nwụrụ. So mgbe I receive the call na nwunye my father nwụrụ. So in Lagos nata yesterday night. So mana mgbe latara na aga m enwe a little misunderstanding. The misunderstanding na bụ position, the area aga eli nwunye my father. So asị na ebe egwumemere ili egwumeme no iwu silibe mbom abasị mba na ayogu nwembe ni this compound na eliri n'ifu mben therefore na nwunye abla nwunye erigborishi nke adịghị na ya elie n'ishi enyekwuye no ya bụ ebe anọje enwe misunderstanding afọ m ihe ọzọ. So ka anyị latara my senior brother latakwa. So anyị nchani na-eje I settle both the two family. I settle ma agree. I lead the woman today.
Okay.
My call yesterday by latter. So obviously latter ha no ozugbo ibia create more violence. Ebe we go misunderstanding. No peace. So peace anwa mere na we are accept and ha wan no ha make accept for ebe ha de kwa fault. So then I lead the woman today, being my stepmother, nwunye my father today. I ain't chanting no in peace. No one on the Syrian beer, mobo, Nanka, Menka, Monke, men. Obo noble nwunye my father, Muron, more twice he beat nor only po say a men, Obo Madule Yalata. Mana I le latal. I be at this family, no more fourth son that this family.
Okay.
If you get.
Thank you so much.
To about that.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Oh,
Ava.
good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Daru n'ọrụ.
Oh.
Daru n'ọrụ.
Oh.
Aribo na ne erite womie. Erite womie no.
Okay.
Ọ bụ emekwa asụkpe ha na ayọmani ayọmani.
Eh.
Aga na eheche
fere.
Gara n'ikpekpe. Mama eweli iwe ka biko ka ọmalị ka m onye bụ mgbe ha gị.
Oh. Abụ m obutu ayọgị dok. Be m bon.
Okay.
Na ọbụkọrọ nri n'ọnwa ugboro anyị bịara.
Okay. Ya bụ ihe gbasara ihe na-eme nta. Kedu ihe na-eme nta na redio?
Ihe na-eme bụ na nwunye ji anyị obodo anyị nwụrụ mana eme ememe elibe.
Okay. Kedu ihe ga-esi afọ ya bụ ihe ebere maka na ụfọdụ ga-abịa kọwa nọ na-ada okwu ụfọdụ ga na-asị ọ na-ada okwu gịnị ndị emerụrịrị?
Ihe mere bụ na ime anụ ụmụntakịrị bụ abroad na ha nọgụ n'ụlọ ma ha na ha latara na ha edozi meme ugwu.
But gịnị merụrịrị? Na ma na-edozi meme but gịnị mgbe ihe mere na ndị ga-esi edozi?
Ihe merụrụ eli ka anyị wọtakọ nehesịkọ mgbe elibe n'ogbe ala nwa ma abụ onye zuru ozu zifere nne mgbe mbụ n'obughị na ihe zuru ozu zuru nne anyị bụ nji obu na na-eli na alije nọ na-aza enye egwu dịka ewọta ka anyị na-eme na ọ bụ ezuru ozu zifere.
So wọcha na na-ekweta ime na ọ ga-ama
melibe
na-aza enye egwu.
Anyị bụ nji omu bịa ma anyị mee rụkọrọ nri
ka na-ete ihe na nnukwu ete nta bụ
ụmụ na achịji ya taa mana na bịara banyị.
No.
Actually, peace is a very good thing that have to embrace everywhere in the world because we don't make peace within your community.
So, ili one na bụ nke akọrọ.
Yes.
Yes. Elibe na azụlọ.
Yes, elibe what you appropriate time because that we have a agreement that we don't want a violence. Irrespective of this.
So now
yes, this family is family that everybody know that they are not a trouble type, or just that we have a little problem. They have a little problem which he was able to resolve. Yes, a misunderstanding because most of them are not at home. That invariably we started calling each and every one of us so that everybody will come down and see that peace here. And we have embraced peace. If you watch around, everybody's around without police, without anybody, and we agreed to do it very, very well. And everybody agreed on it. So, that is it.
So, Nukpochi Kembe? Na-ejeje gumeze ọzọ n'ala. Okay. So they actually resolved that this is the place they dug the grave, the first one. So now they are resolved that they will cover up this one. After covering it, then they will go and dig grave at the backyard where they will bury the woman. So as a matter of fact, there is relative peace in this place. Everybody is happy and they have actually come to a consensus. Thank you so much. Okay.
Family.
Yes, sir.
So, brother.
Okay. That's sir. As you can actually see, this is the place where they are going. These ones are the ones that will be going to dig the grave where the two family accepted. They came to a conclusion that this is where the grave will be now. So looking at this is the background. This is where they will be digging the grave, the new grave where the woman will be buried. So let's go and see what is happening there. Nah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Nah, because get getting back.
Bro, it's a friend of mine.
Being a background and a kill. They happy here, Basad.
Cool, you're Basam, my mom, Baftagunya.
It's okay.
Yane, Munye, Wanyanili, then my mom. Then Nepa, my mom, she the same father. Maabo mamam fatara nembin. Maabo ya fatara munyem nembin. Maam bini bafa alar munyem. Ne papa bini ben vletiru papa vletiru vi.
Ya bune ikowara no okadin.
Ajina meba.
Amafugi na gbambo me ifune ya bi ha na emegare.
Ajina meba.
Gidi nwere to say ana resolve.
Onwe mego kunada. Ukwana gada. Na no na nili nwane beji. Membe na nili beji.
So gin bi na gwa ndo madu based on ihe egosoro medere sinoku na ada. Gede gishi afu uku odar really ko.
Odago ma adamaroy.
Okay.
Okay. And dozi na tonono. Ma adamaroy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Darn noro. Darn. So guys, you can actually see from the background they are digging grave. This is the grave where the woman will be buried. The other one, they covered the other one, and then they are digging the new one. So as it stands now, there is relative peace here. Nobody is quarreling. The woman will be buried. This is where she will be buried. So guys, follow me diligently as I bring you everything that is happening till the woman is finally buried in line with their tradition. So thank you. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So please, may I know you, sir?
This is Prophet Daniel Ifeanyichukwu Obeta. I am Secretary General Igbo-EZE North Youth. The same secretary as well, Peace and Reconciliation Committee, Igbo-EZE North. I'm here because we are here to bury my aunt, which is in our vernacular, let me say dialect, Nibo, Asuya, Ishong. So I'm here as Ishong Oyanakwa today, Oyaneli today. She is the same father with my dad.
So going by what actually happened, how, and if you are relaxed, everywhere is calm. People are interacting, and we even saw where they dig grave there. In your views, I think relative peace has actually returned, and what is actually happening? What is the situation presently?
The fact there is that, adage, like I said before, they say that it's not like Ofunenamo and it's not Ofu Chineke. So, if not because of the concerns of Ego Amaka, Oliver Idoko, we wanted to do it in a way that will shock everybody. Because my aunt is legitimately married to this family. Do you understand? We got the sad news about this and they passed out. So when we came here to get her buried, the so-called there is a man called Rob. So we didn't even know that they had placed a call, invited all kinds of security to come and apprehend those people that was trying to get her arrested. So all of a sudden, when I met them, I introduced myself to them. They didn't even listen to me. So when I went out, they later came back again to apprehend everybody, to the extent that even the son called Onyema, that is the son to the deceased woman, they injured him. And where my family was very sad is that when we came here, we met the elderly person in this family, according to the custom and tradition. His name is Silva Idoko, if I'm not mistaken. He was the one that came here and pointed the exact place to be digged. Do you understand? So during this process, to our surprise, we saw many killers van equipped with securities, They started beating people, flogging people. We decided to go home. When we meet our elders, they said that we should forget about the burial. That later on, if they bury our sister, we should go and ask them where is our sister. Just a lot of confidential stuff, within the family. So, but today, Olido Enugu, that is a Gamaka, called my dad severally. He was trying to convince him that he was not aware about what happened. Encyclopedically, Olido Enugu has no hands on what happened. Do you understand? We find out during investigation that the cause of this problem is Rob Enugu, not Oliver. When we went to Igwe in cabinet, he told us we should consult so elders, and when we went to those elders, none of them are aware about what happened. So the Rob called one man that I don't even know his name to perform those ugly actions. Do you understand? But thank God today, we all have known our rights.
So as it actually stands now, the place that they dug the grave, you people are comfortable with it, and from what we are saying, there is peace, and as it stands now, there's a sense of reconciliation, and there is peace everywhere.
Yeah, the clan of my aunt, we wanted to start our own apprehension, like our own arrest, fellingly today. But due to the arrival of Olido Enugu Egamaka, his speech diluted our anger. Do you understand? We noticed that he's a very, very straightforward human being, transparent, he's very jovial, he's very social, he's a very peaceful human being. Do you understand? So we now asked him, what is your mind? He said that due to his position in the family, he don't have the final say, that he had to come back to ask the family the way forward. So when he now came back and have a brief discussion with the family, he returned back to us and told us that we should acknowledge the discussion the family together have decided to bring out a little portion at the backyard, which is very close with the whatever they call it. It's her kitchen. It's very close to her kitchen, that they have a space there they can bury her. Hence, she's a woman that, due to depending on the emphasis narrated by the senior in the family, they say that hence she's a woman, is not allowed to be buried at the front yard, that her this in her space should be at the backyard. So after long run, we now agreed that the space will be okay. Myself, on my arriving here, I went there to supervise the place. It is nice. I've asked my sister, the children to the late aunt, do you understand? And they accepted that the place is okay. We wanted to drag this case to the infinity. I get me. We wanted to drive the case to the infinity, but due to the intervention of Ega Amaka, and we noticed that he has no hands on what happened. We decided to welcome the peace with all costs.
You know, there has actually been a wrong narrative being pushed. So it's in line with that wrong narrative that is being circulated that we actually came here to have a first-hand information of what is actually happening on the ground. And from what we are seeing here, there is no mercy, there is relative peace. And everybody is comfortable with the situation on ground now, and she will be entailed. Thank you so much.
And nobody should drag Ega Amaka because nobody. Ega Amaka, his hand is free. He is not part of what happened. I'm talking to the whole world. He's not part of what happened. I went to the station to inquire what is happening, and I know what IPO told me. I know what DPO told me. He's not here. He did not bribe me to speak again, to speak on behalf of him. But I'm saying all this thing due to my eyewitness, due to what I acknowledged. I met him today. This is the first time we are meeting. We have been meeting, but this is the first time we sat down together and talked like family. And his speech showed me that he's a good man. So he's not part of what happened. People should not be saying negativities against him. So man, I call that for Ishong and Ishong Onyeke. Do you understand? Umuabi Ishong Onyeke. Benye non azumben. So no babune wotezi. If you buy a book fee, this week the GI Buzombe if you watch Kane Megete, then done a one OG set to Lere for OG. Gaba IGBO, I like there. Yes, 2 pieces.
For China, who will make it over in my room? We put it to Holland this day. Then we put Holland this day.
No problem.
I because it has taken a long time.
I don't have allowed to be interviewed.
Yeah.
But no, now I'm a Maroni.
Okay.
No, I do degree. Because I many home. Just as you say this in Namish. No, when we even now Oga, Purishuru, no joy a carrier. So he many nig on nag, by generation to come to him. Thank you. So,
is a major point.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Can you go to the Hana Elibe Meron?
I would be very, I'm very happy because name no beg can no matter cheers. So I'm very happy now. I the woman. So because here na on social media, I became latter of so it was not no, I was no any issue. So the issue I didn't way before the position, but the woman, which MHR will resolve higher. So yes, so people should stop spreading some false information just to gain cheap followers. That such thing cannot happen in my place, and I'm there without finding a solution to it. So here they cool that place here and I call that place as.
Thank you so much. Now, good evening, sir.
I'm Mr. Godwin Ilegbunam Chukuma Odo. Odo Enugu Ezike na Umuabi Umuose Amushe. Now I die being every day I don't live in Russia.
Kede go obodo Hana adoira adu nunili gbegbe igosi na emezuru ihe omenala gbasara onye nwụrụ anwụ.
For about 3 days now, we have been in a turmoil because onye nwụrụ elile anwụlek ma have none on the mortuary. So obodo also because all issues concerning the burial have been settled and peace reigned for I had there many. And I saw the whole parties that brokered that peace, that blessings shall be in their name in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Open the modern name, but avoid a problem after the family. Then the third party appear. Now that third party really create problem. Like as it is, the third party created the problem and left. Or have any burden until this young man came in and decided to make peace. Or highly we should be very, very mindful of the friends and relatives we have because when they can like peace. What have you? My peace never home. We should where there is no peace, there is no progress. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right.